You know that amazing feeling when you're totally in the zone? It's like the world fades away and it's just you and the moment. That's mindfulness, and it's a game changer for happiness. Imagine your morning coffee. Instead of gulping it down while scrolling through emails, try something different. Take a slow sip, feel the warmth, taste the rich flavor, and breathe in that divine aroma. Feel the chair underneath you and the heat from the mug in your hands. Maybe you love a hot shower. You hop in, lost in thought about traffic or that to-do list. Stop right there. Rewind. Feel the water cascading down your skin, the lather and scent of your favorite shampoo, and the way your muscles relax under the stream. This moment is yours. Relish it. Being present isn't just a buzzword. It's about savoring life bite by bite, sip by sip, splash by splash. Every little moment of mindfulness adds up to a bigger pile of joy in your life. So, whether it's coffee or showers, petting your dog or cat, or anything else you love, soak up every second. What's your favorite daily activity that allows you a moment to pause and enjoy? Share your mindful moments with me using #mindfulmagic. Let's spread that peace and positivity.